Today, large factories don't win by having more people. They win through technology. They win through optimized processes. And they win by being able to produce more with fewer people. That is also why 3-head independent CNC routers with automatic tool changers are attracting increasing attention from export-oriented furniture manufacturers. In this video, QUOC is using the system to mass-produce Minosa tabletops made from MDF. With 3 independent machining heads, the machine can process multiple workpieces within the same production cycle, making it well-suited for high-volume orders that require both productivity and consistent quality. Each machining head is equipped with an automatic tool-changing system, allowing the machine to switch between different tools according to each machining operation without stopping the machine for manual tool changes. This enables a more continuous production process, reduces idle time, and is particularly suitable for mass production. Beyond Minosa tabletops, the system can also be applied to a wide range of products such as coffee tables, reception tables, conference tables, large MDF tabletops, and other panel-based furniture components. The machine can also be used to produce decorative panels, wooden cutting boards, and many other products requiring CNC cutting, routing, or shaping. This gives manufacturers greater flexibility to utilize the equipment across multiple product categories, rather than investing in a machine designed for only one specific product line. For businesses handling export orders or looking to increase production capacity, this configuration is worth considering when the goal is to increase output while maintaining control over labor costs and product consistency. However, not every factory needs 3 machining heads. For workshops with moderate production volumes or those looking for a more flexible system, the single-head CNC router with automatic tool changer remains a popular option and has been widely implemented by QUOC across various production models for many years. Meanwhile, for workshops specializing in solid wood tables, dining tables, conference tables, or products requiring multiple machining operations, a 4-head CNC router can offer advantages in productivity and simultaneous processing capabilities. What matters is choosing a configuration that matches your products, production volume, and long-term development strategy. If your business is considering CNC investment for MDF tables, solid wood tables, or panel-based furniture products, QUOC can recommend a configuration based on your actual production requirements. The right configuration today is the production capacity you build for tomorrow's orders.